Bold, loud, articulate and cute, kinda quintessential, unique and elegant too. Everything that I need, baby, you are a queen.
Hey y'all, it's your girl here, Shanae. I am back with another video. So today's video, I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair because it was definitely time and it was so dirty. So I'm going to be trying out the new Inahsi Naturals hair product line. Started off with using their Rescue and Repair Bond Strengthening Shampoo, which is great for deeply penetrating your strands, and it's also good for damaged hair, colored hair, chemical, and also any type of environmental factors. Now I'm about to go ahead and deep condition my hair using their strengthening hair mask. This hair mask is packed with quinoa protein to help restore damaged hair, and also it helps maintain healthy protein moisture balance. I like to section off my hair when I'm deep conditioning so that way I can get the best treatment ever. If I don't, I just feel like I'm not getting every strand. Also, I like to use this time to also finger detangle first, and then I just follow up with my tangle teaser to make sure that I actually take out all of the tangles. I had so much tangles in my hair, I don't really know what I did wrong, y'all. Anyway, so as you see, I'm just using my fingers to actually help take out the tangles first, and then I just follow up with my tangle teaser. Then after that, I just twist every section up, and then I'm just gonna sit under my cap for about at least 10 minutes. 10 minutes is up, and here is how my hair looking after I am rinsing out all of the hair masks. I am loving the results, y'all. You can definitely see the hydration, and also I noticed that my curls were clumping together, which is a major plus. So overall, y'all, I am so satisfied with this line. I'm like, okay. For this last step, I'm going to apply a leave-in conditioner. It is their Rescue and Repair Bond Strengthening Leave-In Treatment. It does help with moisturizing and also repairing your hair from the inside out, and it also creates a new bond to repair keratin in your hair as well. I actually suffer with frizz sometimes, so I love that this helps combat frizz, and also it helps with the detangling and defining your curls as well. This leave-in conditioner definitely has a lot of slip, and as you see, my curls are defining as I do apply the product in there. After I apply that all on my hair, I just section it off and put it in twists so that way I can go ahead and style it, and this is the ending result. I am so in love with this product line, y'all, and if you want to actually check it out, check out my description box for more information, and thank y'all for watching. Love you. Bye.